What really happens when a packet is lost on the internet? It's not just that one packet disappears, the entire data flow is affected. Let's break it down step by step. When data is sent using TCP, it's split into packets and each packet is assigned a sequence number. For example, let's track each individual packet as it travels. Packet 1, packet 2, packet 3, and packet 4. Now imagine packet 3 gets dropped somewhere in the network. The receiver gets packet 1, then packet 2, and then suddenly there's a noticeable gap before packet 4 finally arrives. That's a gap. Since TCP expects order delivery, the receiver knows something is missing. So it sends back an acknowledgement for the last correctly received packet, packet 2, and it keeps doing that for every new packet it receives. These are called duplicate acknowledgements. When the sender receives multiple duplicate ACKs, it understands that packet 3 was lost and retransmits it immediately. This is known as fast retransmission, but if acknowledgements don't arrive in time, the sender waits for a timeout before retransmitting, and timeouts are much slower. Now here's the bigger impact. TCP assumes packet loss means congestion, so it reduces its sending rate, sometimes cutting it in half. This is part of congestion control. TCP also controls how much data is in flight using a window. When packet loss is detected, this window is reduced, so less data is sent and the connection slows down even further. And that's why even a single lost packet can affect the entire connection, not just because of retransmission, but because the sender intentionally backs off. So the next time your internet feels slow, it might not be bandwidth, it might be packet loss, and all of this happens in milliseconds. If this helped you understand how the internet really works, consider subscribing. We break it down step by step.